Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing about the how to draw this plan as you are seeing on the screen. Okay, so this plan we are going to draw here. So totally there are 3 bedrooms, 1, 2 and 3. So 3 bedrooms are there, and this is a drawing room with storeroom, kitchen, living room, okay, etc. All of them are present here. Okay, these are the toilets, washrooms, and these are the toilets. This is for the staircase. Okay, this is a staircase from inside, and this is the staircase from outside. Okay, so this plan we are going to draw. So before drawing that, here you can see that the outer dimensions are not being provided, so only the inner dimensions are provided. That means here you can see 14 feet 2 inches, 12 feet, or etc. Okay, so that means the dimensions of the walls we have to assume it. So for that, let the dimensions of the walls be assuming that for the outer walls, let us assume the dimensions as 8 inches, and for the inner walls the dimensions will be of 4 inches. Okay, so that dimensions we will be considering. Based on that dimensions we will be drawing this plan. Okay, so before that, let me see. So if we consider it as 8 inches wall, so from here to here it is of 8 inches, and from here to here it is of 14 feet 2 inches, and this is a 4 inches wall, and in the same way here also the same. Okay, so for that what we will be doing is, we will be first of all we will draw this wall with respect to these walls will be drawn. Okay, so for that, let us calculate what are the lengths and dimensions of this plan. Okay, so for that let us calculate these dimensions. Okay, so here you can see horizontally it is 14 feet 2 inches, and this is also 14 feet 2 inches. When we combine these 3 walls thickness, so that means it is 14. From here to here it will be 18 inches, from here to here that is 14 feet 2 inches. That means it will be of 14 feet 10 inches. Okay, 14 feet 10 inches, and this is a 4 inch wall. Okay, that means it will be of 15 feet 2 inches. Okay, 15 feet 2 inches plus 14 feet 2 inches, that will be is equals to the 29 feet 4 inches. Okay, 29 feet 4 inches plus this wall is 8 inches, so that is equals to the 30. Okay, that means the total dimensions are of 30. Okay, so from here to here it is of 30 feet. Okay, so in the same way we have to calculate the dimensions for this one also. Okay, so here you can see from here to here we will calculate the vertical distance. Okay, so here vertical distance, here you can see it as a clearly, so it is 12 feet. Okay, 12 feet, and this is a 7 feet. Okay, totally is equals to the, from here let us count from here. Okay, from here to here the wall thickness will be 8. Okay, so this is 8 inches plus 12 feet, that is equals to 12 feet 8 inches. Okay, 12 feet 8 inches plus 4 inches wall, so that is equals to the 13 feet. Okay, so 13 feet, and this is a 7 feet wall, so that means it will be of 20 feet. Okay, so after that 20 feet it is a 4 inch wall, 20 feet 4 inches. Okay, 20 feet 4 inches plus 11 feet. Okay, 20 feet 4 inches plus 11 feet is equals to the 31 feet 4 inches. Okay, so after that 31 feet 4 inches, and next it will be of 4 inches, that is equals to 31 feet 8 inches. Okay, so 31 feet 8 inches. After that it is equal, next these dimensions are 6 feet, so it is equals 31 feet 8 inches plus 6 feet, so that is equals to the 37 feet 8 inches. So in the same way here is equals to the 4 inches, so 31 feet 8 inches plus 6, so that is 37 feet 8 inches plus 4 inches, so it is equals to the 38 feet. Okay, so 38 feet from here to here, what will be the distance? 38 feet plus 12. Okay, so that is equals to 50 feet. Okay, 50 feet plus 4 inches. Okay, 50 feet plus 4 inches is equals to 50 feet 4 inches, 50 feet 4 inches, and then here we will be containing of 9 feet 1 inch wall. Okay, so from here it is 50 feet 4 inches plus 9 feet 1 inches, that is equals to the 59 feet 9 inches, sorry 59 feet 4 inches. Okay, 59 feet 5 inches, 59 feet 5 inches plus 8 inches wall, so that is equals to the 59 feet 4 inches, so that is equals to the 60 feet. Okay, so we will consider it as 60 feet. So from here we can calculate that from here to here the distance is 30 feet, from here to here it is of 60 feet. Okay, so we will draw this plan according to it. Okay, so for that click on this rectangle option. So before clicking on the rectangle, we have to adjust the units, limits and dimensions. Okay, for that click on this units option here. So click on this units, what we will be taking, we will be taking in engineering units, and the units will be of 0 feet into inches. Okay, so here I am selecting it as feet only, or else we can also convert it as inches also. Click on OK option here. Next, dimensions, click on D, enter. Okay, so the dimension style will be drawn. Okay, so if you want to modify, you can modify this one. Okay, so from here we can use this, but before that I am only selecting this units, engineering units, and the units with 0 feet 0 inches. Click on OK, and next click on this close option. Okay, so units have been given, dimensions have been. So next what we have to do is we have to give the limits. Okay, click on limits, enter 0, 0, enter, and the upper right corner, for that we will be giving it as 100 feet, 100 feet, enter. So the sheet size has also been given. Okay, so for that, and next what we have to do is we have to give the rectangle, that means the dimensions of the outer walls. Okay, so for that outer walls, what will be the dimensions? So as we have seen, I am showing the first point. As we have seen that the dimensions have been given, we have calculated. So I am clicking on D, enter. So the dimensions will be given here. The length of the rectangle. So what is the length of the rectangle? As we have discussed earlier, the length of the rectangle is 30 feet. Click on 30 feet, and the width of the rectangle. Okay, so the width of the rectangle is how much it will be of 60 feet, as we have calculated before. Okay, so we have to specify the other points. So here the rectangle has been given. Let us view this dimension so that our confirmation will be of successful. Okay, so from here to here you can see it is of 30 feet. Okay, so in the same way, so this length also will be of 60 feet, I think so. So here you can see it is of 60 feet. Okay, so 60 feet length has been given. Okay, so our next step is that we have to add this offset walls. Okay, so for that purpose what we will be doing is we will be selecting this rectangle and we will be taking it as a offset. Okay, so for that offset, click on O, enter. So the offset distance, we have to define the offset distance, so it will be of 8 inches. Okay, so for that I am clicking on this 8 inches wall. click on enter here. Okay, so I am giving it as inner side. Okay, so here the walls have been given. Okay, so here the walls have been given. So what we have to do is we have to extrude this one. So I am clicking on this explode option here. Okay, so and I am going to extend this walls. Okay, so for that what we will be doing is click on this, click on extend option, click on enter, and next let us click on this one. Okay, so what I will show you what will be the use of this extending of lines. Okay, so let me extend this one. Okay, so the extension of the line has been given. So that means here you can see that the 8 inches wall has been given. Okay, so the 8 inches wall has been given. So our next step is that we have to give the inner walls. Okay, so for that let us see in this image. So here you can see from here to here it is of 12 feet wall. That means the 12 feet inner wall has also been given, and 14 feet 2 inches inner wall also has been given. Okay, so from same goes here, it is from here to here it is of 12 feet from here to here. Okay, so for that let us go in this one and let us select this line. Okay, so from here to here we have to take offset. So it will be of I am going to give the offset distance as 12 feet. Click on enter. Here it has been given. Okay, in the same way from here to here it also has been given. Okay, same I am selecting it is, and the offset distance I am giving it as 4 inches wall. 4 inches wall. Click on enter here. Okay, from here to here I am giving it at outside. Okay, so the 4 inches wall has also been given. Okay, so and next from here to here we have to give the 14 feet 2 inches wall. So for that click on this offset. I am giving offset distance as 14 feet 2 inches. Click on enter. So here from here to here it has been given. Click on space enter. It will be a 4 inches wall. I am giving it as 4 inches wall. Click on enter. Click on this one. Okay, so here it has been given. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to give the offsets in this vertical direction. Okay, we are given in the horizontal direction, we will be giving in the vertical direction. Okay, so from here to here you can see it is of 12 feet 2 inches. From here to here it is of 7 feet. Okay, same goes here. From here to here 11 feet and 6 feet 12 feet. Okay, so let us take the offset. Okay, so from here to here it is of 12 feet. Okay, so from here to here it is of 12 feet. Okay, so we have to remember this. First is 12 feet, 7 feet and 11 feet, 6 feet and 12 feet. Okay, so I am going to give the offsets as per according to this plan given here. Okay, so for that let us go in this AUTOCAD. After going in the AUTOCAD, click on this inner line, take offset, and offset distance we will be giving it as 12 feet. Click on enter. So here it has been given. Okay, so next in the same way click on space button. We are going to give it as 4 inches wall. Okay, so for that I am giving it as 4 inches wall. Click on enter. I am giving it as outside. Okay, click on escape, click on space button. Next we are going to give the offset distance for the open space. So it will be of 7 feet as we have discussed in the plan. Okay, so from here to here it has been given. Okay, click on escape. Next click on space button, then give the inner wall thickness as 4 inches. Click on enter. So from here to here the 4 inches wall has has been given. Again click on the space button. Okay, and next the room space will be of 11 feet. Okay, so it will be of 11 feet. Click on enter, select this one, and it has been placed. Okay, so in the same way click on escape space button, give the wall thickness. I am giving the wall thickness as 4 inches. Click on enter. Okay, so it has been given. So 4 inches wall thickness has been given. Okay, click on escape. In the same way click on the space button, and next click on the 6 feet. Click on enter, click on this one, and it has been given. Okay, click on escape, click on space button, and the dimensions are given. We are giving it as 4 inches. Click on enter. Okay, so here it is also has been given. Okay, so 4 inches wall has also been given, 6 feet for 6 feet. Okay, next we have to give for 12 feet. Okay, click on escape, click on space button, and we are going to give it as a 12 feet. Click on enter option here, from here to downside. Okay, so it has been given. Okay, next click on escape. Okay, after clicking on the escape, click on the space button. Okay, the offset distance will be given, and we are giving it as we are giving at 4 inches wall. Click on enter. Okay, so now here you can see is all the interior walls and the exterior walls have been given. Okay, so all the interior and exterior walls have been given. Okay, in the next video we will be going to trim this walls, and we will be shaping according to the plan given here. Okay, so here you can see what is the plan here. Okay, so this room width and the room lengths all have been given as per the required assumption. Okay, so this toilet and washroom will be giving in the next video, because these are all combined within one room. Okay, so we will provide it in the next video. Okay, so we will be in the next video we will be discussing about the how to trim this one. Okay, and how to clearly detail the walls. Okay, thank you.